In our last lesson, we learned how to create an EC2 or Elastic Compute Cloud instance in AWS environment. In this video, we will learn how to create a custom image based on EC2 instance that we created before. Custom image enables one to maintain a custom operating system image of customer choice that can include all the required configuration or required tools beforehand. So when they will install a new compute instance, all the required softwares will be in place. So let's go through that one. Here we'll install the Postgres database to the EC2 instance. So see here EC2 instance, and we are going to connect that to party session here. So we have connected as a root here. So first check which modules are available for Postgres database. So we can see a list of Postgres application systems here, and let's install that one. Version 13, we are going to install that. So yum installed and slash like at Postgres and dot version. Click yes here. So that has been completed. Now let's set up initial database. When you install Postgres, it created a user, Postgres user to the operating system. So we'll reset that password for that user, Postgres user. So it is wrong. System city and status Postgres on that typo. So we see that services are inactive. You do not need sudo here because you already connected as a root user. Maybe started services, and let's validate that one. So we see that services active now, so it's running that one. Let's connect to the Postgres services. Connect to the Postgres user. So interactive and user is Postgres. PSQL to get into there, and we can use \l or l plus to get list of databases running there. Help to see the available commands. So let's see the list of databases. I'm not going through all the Postgres, just showing that here we have As an example, we just installed um, database which will be there whenever we use this image. That image will be Postgres ready. So from action, go to we can. So to create an image, we can go through actions, then images and templates, and create image button. So here we can give an image name. And give a description. There are different options that you can modify. Um, for our learning purpose, I just make it simple. So I did not do much changes here. So then click on create instance. So here you see that it's running. So it's creating an image. If I say that machine image, so it's creating a machine image. You can get all the details from here, like permission, storage tags. So now you see that machine image is available. So you can launch from there to instance, or if you want, you can see also information from there, AMIS under images. You can click there. So you can launch an instance from this image. To edit, you can click that edit any permissions. Storage, you can see the storage, default storage here. So if you launch, as usual, you can select the type, machine type based on the resources that you need, and you can modify that one. So now let's unregister that one or deregister this Amazon machine image that I created. So I'm going to deregister. Now I'm going to deinstall the EC2 instance I created in our last lesson. So from here, okay, first show you that we can just stop when instance is start, then we can see stop. When that is in stop state, then we can see start that one. So that is stopping now. So stop instances is stop now. If you see here, you can see that is stuck instance. But for now, we are going to terminate instance. So you can click on terminate. So here you see that its instance state is shutting down. And now you see that this is terminate state. So it's terminated. That's all. Like this video, please subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.